All right, so we've known since 54 that the price was gonna go to 70 to 70 right here, 74, 75, right? This is I'm expecting a recoil off of the mid range or the high of the 5 point range, 70, 75, and all right. So those of you who were waiting for 75, you didn't get it by 1 point. However, look at the mid-range, right? Look at the mid-range short, already 4 or 5 points, and not to mention the 20 points that we just made on this move up. And let's go ahead and make a couple more on this pullback. This is a pullback. There is no trend, by the way. So this is just a move down. That's all this is it. So we have to take advantage of these 20 points that we just made, right, on the way up. And look at this. And right from 74 all the way to 66, right? That's another 8 points, right? We have to take advantage of these 8 points, counter trend short, and of course keep all the green that we made on this move up, right? And there is no trend, so there is no main play. There is no main play. We just went long 54 and we just went short 74. So we had 20 points in our direction on the way up, and now we have about 8 points on the way down, and there is no main play. They're both the same, long story short. So we're trading what we see today, all right? So how do we manage a trade what we see? Stop, break even, let her ride. What else? To 66, okay? So 74, we know this is resistance. We already made 9 points right here. We're going to pay close attention to 66. You know, this low right here, 66 right here. Here we go, 66. Right, so as long as the price is above 66, I'm expecting a continuation all the way to 80. All right, 80, 80, 80, 80, right here, 80, okay, 66. As long as 66 hold, eventually the price is gonna take this high, 75, and it's gonna go to 80, okay, 80, as a matter of fact, 82, all right, 82, all right, that's where it's going, 82. Oh, okay, so that long 54 target one is right here, 75, right? The high of the micro channel, 75, remember, 75?
Yep.
All right,
It
so
just hit.
it just hit to the tick, right? So 75, right, from 54, that's 21 points for the long that we have. We just made a counter trend all the way to, what was it, right? So this low right here, 65, all right? But it is 66, the one that we really want to pay attention to, okay? They're so close together, it's no big deal, all right? But it is 66, the one that we want to pay attention to, okay? 66, all right? As long as the price doesn't take 66, we believe that it's going to take the high, the high, 75, remember, 75, 70? And it's gonna go to 82, okay? Clean break of 66, that baby's going down, and I'll need to tell you where it's going. So, 75, what is 75 now? The high of our 5-point resistance, 70, 75, right? Okay, so price goes to 76, 1 point above our 75, and there the bears, you guys and I, take advantage of shorting count. Now this is a counter trend, all right? So in other words, the read is now we know which one is the main play. The main play is the long 54. That's the main play. The counter trend short 75 takes 66, then the main play is invalidated, and the counter trend short 75 begins to be the main play. So we're gonna see how the price behaves right here, 65, 66, 66, 65. We know that this is a pretty okay support, and then a nice bounce, then we know we are on our way to 82. A clean break, then we know we are on our way to, I don't know where it's going. Clean break of 66, I still don't know where it's going. All right, so we need to know all of this right now so that it's the only way that we're going to be able to manage both our positions, the long 54 and the short 75. So I'm going to say that again. For those of us who have a position long 54, target 175, we have more ammunition and we want the price to eventually take 75, now 76, and continue going to 82, right? For target 2, and then target 3, maybe it's going to be 95, I don't know yet, right? And for those of us who are also short 75, because we know that 75 is the high of the 5-point range resistance, those of you who waited all the way to 75 to take advantage of that short, then what do you want? We're trading what we see right here, right now. Clean break of 66, then the short 75, stop break even, and start trailing. I don't know yet where it's going, because remember, we are trading what we see. It's very difficult after that reaction of the employment situation. Okay, all right, pretty good. We know that this is support right here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so the short 75 all the way to 61, right? So that's 14 points. That's pretty good. And the price took 66, didn't it? Yeah. Now, is 66 going to be a nasty key level where the smart money, they themselves don't know what to do? Yes, it is. So, however, it took it, right? All the way to 60, 61. So the main play has been invalidated. It's no longer the main play. The main play now is 75. So those of us who took a shot short 75, we are counting now that the price took 66. We are counting on the price to continue going down. Gee, at least give me 54. What do you think, Mr. 54? Does that sound like an obvious support? All right, let's ride this baby all the way to 54, target 1. All right, so we're going to change hats as many times need be, okay? In terms of the main play invalidated, counter trend became the main play. So what is 66? Resistance. So what do? Add to a winner or establish a new position short, expecting a recoil. Test of 56, give us 54, and then give me a little bit more time to see if it's going to take 56 and it's going to test the absolute low, or we have to watch, right? Or is it going to bounce out of the support, go back to 66, break it, and go to 82, right? Okay. That's why we have to watch every single tick, every single minute, every single second, every single candle, every single little move, right? And the way that we manage our position is by knowing exactly not only what the price is doing, which we couldn't care less. Of course we care because we don't want to get caught, but most importantly, the future. Remember that we are predictors. We predict. That's our age. Oh my God, that's crazy. Nobody can predict the future. Well, hang around here for a little while and let's see. 100% of the time, you think we're going to predict 100% of the time? No. No, but a good 80, 85, 90%, I'll take those odds any minute. Yeah, I understand. You made your money. Beautiful, right? We made 20 points on the way up and 15 points on the way down. We nailed almost the bottom, and we totally nailed the top. Of course, I understand that you want to be done for today, but listen, eventually we will see. I mean, 66 is going to continue giving us a hard time. Is that 66 again, Mystique? Of course. All right, so, but eventually we will see the market is going to reveal itself off of 66. And ladies and gentlemen, that's a good opportunity to get us a Lamborghini. All right? Okay, you'll see. But of course, anybody that, you don't want to risk your 20 points on the way up and your 10 points on on the way down. I understand that. 10, more than 10 points, 10, 12, 13 points. All right, but those of you who wants to stay trading, you'll see what I mean. And it takes a lot of discipline to do what Bill is doing. You know, he already have his $3,000, and he's not. You know, he's just, you know, it's out of here. It's 950. Look at it, 950 only, right?
That's right.
It's not even 10 in what, right? That's beautiful. Okay, I understand. It takes a lot of discipline to take your winnings. It's Friday. You're done. Remember, we look to make in 2 hours what most people make in 2 months. So I understand. And this is trading what you see. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are now going to be looking after 48. All right. So as long as the price is comfortably below 66, I'm expecting an event. You know, once the smart money is done scaring everybody, I'm expecting a break of the low. 54 is no longer a target, right, for the short, right? Remember the short 75, right? It got invalidated here, right? But the play itself, yeah, there's absolutely no reason for us to be all out of the short play, right? Until the price destroys 76. So that's 76. As long as the price is below 66, I'm expecting a 1, 2, 3 test of the low, break it, forget about 54. We don't have to get out 54 because it's on its way to 48. All right, so the short 75, the one that has not been stop break even, start trailing, right? Trailing, but you know that this short right here has not been invalidated, the play itself, until 76 is completely destroyed. We know that 66 is invalidating the setup, not the play. So 66 is resistance, 73 is resistance, 76 is resistance, and an eventual test, which is gonna make a triple. It's gonna make a triple bottom, but it's gonna break it. We're not gonna get out 54. We're gonna let it ride all the way to 48. Okay, 66, nice, right? Price recoiling. Add to a winner, establish new position short, and I already told you what it is I'm expecting to happen. Oh my God! What if the price takes 66 to the upside? Alrighty, it's not invalidated until 76 is done. So in other words, bulls and bears are making a couple of points there. It's just that now we are after a longer term move, 48. Okay, I know you're gonna all be tempted to lock here 54, but remember what I told you. I'm expecting, look, 1, 2, 3, right? Triple bottom. I'm expecting the triple bottom to be taken and a continuation to 48. So 48 to 54, that's 6 more points, right? Yeah, I know you all want to lock here 54. Well, depending on your position size, if you have enough size in your position to lock right here 54, it's okay. But stop break even and let it ride because I am expecting a continuation to 48 and beyond. I just don't know where to yet because remember, we are trading what we see today. So that's why I'm telling you. You know, I know that you're tempted to take 54. Look at the bounce of a 54, right? But remember that the difference between we traders here at Capital Trade Center is that we really let it ride for real. A lot of teenagers on YouTube, all those multimillionaire teenagers, gurus, they're gonna tell you. They're gonna tell you the same thing that somebody told them. The secret of trading is letting it ride. Cut your losses short and let your winners run. Right? They're gonna tell you that. because they've been told that. But what they're not going to tell you is how to do it. And more importantly, they will never show you because they'll never do it. They don't know how to do it. So I just told you, I'm expecting the third time, the third time I'm expecting a break and a continuation to 50 to 48. That's why I told you, come on, let's go ahead and make 6 more points. You don't have to get out 54. If you want to get out 54, look at, is that 54 again, Mystic? Alrighty then. So I know that, like I said, you're tempted, but come on, let's let it ride to 48, because remember, 48 is only, this is the real target 1. We still have target 2 and target 3. As long as there is no change in direction, we are going. That's why we trade multiple contracts, right? So that we can milk the market. So clean break of hour 66. Look at that. Look at that. In a couple of minutes, it went up 20 points, right? Nicely above 66. So what are the odds now? Oh my God, CAPI, we have to change hat now. It's going to 82. That's right. So buy limit 66 is on its way to 82. 66, such and such, of course, we have a pivot high 73. We have the high of day 76. And where is the price want to go? 82. Remember 82? We haven't changed it. All we need to know is at what point is the price going to want to go there. And 66 is the confirmation. Hey, CAPI, but unbelievable, man. Look at this, almost 48. That's right. Okay, I know. Okay, so is it possible the price goes back to 66 and do the same thing, takes it again, Mistake? What do you think? Is it possible?
Yes, it is.
But the odds are that before it does that, it'll go to 82. So we have to check. What did I say an hour ago? We'll change hats as many times as need be, correctly. Alrighty then, let's see. Say that again. This is the most difficult thing for amateurs to do. Change hats. Thank God we have confirmation 66. Look at it. That is telling us exactly what's going to happen next. And right, so our aim is to make as many points as possible on this trip from 66 to 82, just like we wanted to do, right, from our first entry short. We wanted 48. Oh my God, and we didn't get. Well, it is what it is. It's called day trading. Now we want a trip from 66, change hats to bull, all the way to 82. This is 79. Let's see what else. Right, Mystique?
80 half.
Okay. Boom, bam, bing. That's 80 half. That's not too shabby. That's pretty good.
82.75.
All righty, Mystique. So correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe this is 82, isn't it?
82.75.
66 to 82. A couple of ticks bonus, right? Change hats to bull, and let's see what do we have next. Right?
Right.
All right. So 82 is target 1, and let's see what target 2 is. Target 2 is, ladies and gentlemen, 91. There we go. 91, target 2. There's going to be a pause, 87, the mid-range, okay? So don't, 87, all right? There's going to be a pause right here, 87. Okay, then. 91, right?
Yep.
91, 92, 92 half, officially, target 1, officially hit.
That's correct.
Right, from our break 66 to 92.
92 half.
That's pretty good, right?
Yes.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we all know that 300 is a psychological level, but it's not our system, right? So we know what's going to happen at 300, but our target 3 is 3 points above. It's 303, target 3. Right? Of course, we all know here 96 is the high. Even the teenagers on YouTube, all those fake gurus out there, they know. They're going short right now. They're scared the hell out right now because it's not recoiling right away. So they have no idea that the price is going to continue. The odds are it's going to continue to 303. So right now they're adding to a loser. That's what they're doing right now. In their demo account, of course, because we know that all these fake gurus in YouTube, they don't trade for real. If they did, they'll read the market live, real time, like we do here every single day, wouldn't they, Mystique?
That's right, they would.
That's right. I mean, if they're so desperate to sell you a trading mentorship, a trading education, right? They're desperate to teach you how to make millions like they do, right? For some reason, they only want to charge you $2,000. I don't know. Explain that to me. All right, Mystique, let's get out of here.
Let's do it.
Target 303 officially hit, ladies and gentlemen. That's pretty good, isn't it?
That's amazing.
All righty then. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, this morning when I told you, those of you who stick around, the break of 66 is going to buy us a Lamborghini. Remember? Lamborghini? I told you. We're going to buy Lamborghinis like all the kids on YouTube. All those multimillionaire master traders. All of those kids and all those girls and boys desperate to sell you their trading system, right? So that you can make millions like they do. Right? I told you.
Shawnee just posted it.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. So I have the last target. And ladies and gentlemen, the last target is 23. It's an area. It's between 23 and let's leave it at 20. With this volatility, it's at 20. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, it's a last target. It's an area. Okay, it's not an exact level. It's 23, 27. All right, so you know exactly what to do. Right, last target. Let it ride to 23, 27, and we are all out right here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, pretty close, right? Remember, 43, 40, 23, 23, 27, mid-range, 25. Look at the recoil, Mystique, right in the middle of our 23, 27, 25. Look at that, 25 to the tick, Mystique. Look at that recoil, all the way to 7. Boom, that's 5 points in 5 seconds. Oh, Jesus Christ. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that's 27 exactly, right? Okay, so 60 points, right? 49 points, 60, 59 points from our break, 66. Look at this.
27 quarter.
All right, 27 quarter, all right?
So,
All right. Enjoy.
last target achieved.
That's right. Last target achieved. Enjoy your weekend, ladies and gentlemen.